Hello my bright and happy stars. Today I'm drawing Bluey dancing with a funny chicken. As the colors appear on the page, I'll tell you a story full of feathers, music, and laughter. Before the beat begins, tap the like button so Bluey, Bingo, and the dancing chicken can spin with joy together. The morning breeze feels fresh and cheerful. Bluey and Bingo are playing near the garden. Dad sets up a small speaker and says proudly, "It's dance day!" Bluey's eyes sparkle. "Dance day? Yay!" Bingo jumps excitedly. "Let's dance! Let's dance!" Mom claps her paws and says, "I'll be the DJ." Dad presses the button and music fills the air. The rhythm makes everyone sway with a smile. Then suddenly, asterisk cluck cluck cluck, asterisk, a chicken waddles into the yard. Bluey tilts her head. "Is that a chicken?" Bingo laughs. "It looks like it wants to dance too." The chicken hops twice, flaps its wings, and spins in a circle. Bluey gasps, "Whoa, it really can dance!" Dad bursts into laughter. "That's the best chicken I've ever seen." Bluey claps her paws. "Come on, Bingo, let's dance with it." And just like that, the dance party truly begins. Bluey twirls around gracefully, Bingo hops and claps her paws. The chicken shakes its feathers, and together they make a funny dance crew. Dad joins in, flapping his arms like giant wings, while Mom moves side to side with a big smile. "Dance, little chickens!" Mom cheers, and the whole yard turns into a feather-filled party. "Let's see who can dance the silliest!" shouts Bluey with laughter. Bingo starts spinning and clucking. Cluck, cluck, cluck. The chicken copies her moves, and Dad pretends to faint from laughter. "Oh no," says Bluey. "Dad's lost his groove." Dad pops back up and does a wobbly dance. "Look, I'm the disco rooster," he says proudly. Everyone bursts into giggles again. Bluey twirls toward the chicken and says, "Can you do this?" She hops 3 times and spins in a tiny circle. The chicken nods, then hops 4 times and flaps its wings fast. "Whoa!" shouts Bingo. "It beats you, Bluey." Bluey laughs. "Okay, you win, Super Chicken." Dad claps his paws. "That's it. Chicken's the new dance champion." "Can you dance like a chicken too?" asks Bluey to the kids watching. "Flap your wings, shake your tail, and say cluck cluck cluck." Mom turns up the music louder, and the song turns into a funny jungle rhythm. Bluey dances like a monkey. Bingo twirls like a butterfly. The chicken hops and claps its wings to the beat. Dad moves like a sleepy bear trying to dance. Everyone laughs so hard they can barely stand. Bluey shouts joyfully, "This is the best dance ever." Bingo nods. "It's the chicken boogie." And they all cheer. "Chicken boogie! Chicken boogie!" After dancing for a long while, they sit on the grass. Bluey wipes her forehead. "You? That was amazing!" The chicken sits beside her, fluffing its feathers. Bingo giggles. "I think it's tired too." Dad brings a bowl of water for the chicken, and Mom smiles warmly. "Every dancer needs a break." Bluey strokes the chicken gently and whispers, "You're the best dance partner ever." The chicken clucks softly, almost like it's saying thank you. As the sun sets slowly, the family and the chicken watch the glowing sky together. Bluey smiles. "We should dance again tomorrow." Bingo yawns. "Yeah, the chicken boogie never ends." Dad stretches and says, "But maybe after dinner." Everyone laughs softly, cuddling under the fading sunlight. The chicken rests near Bluey's paw, and the music fades into a calm evening hum. Bluey whispers, "Good night, my dancing friend." And the yard stays peaceful and happy, full of love, laughter, and the memory of one amazing chicken dance.